Okay, now I think we even have Pano Shots. Yeah, let's try. You know what? I want to try a sphere. Let's tap sphere. Very cool. Very cool. Okay, let's try wide angle. Let's try 80. Okay, what else do we got in here? Okay. Okay, we have a vertical here. That'll be interesting. Now with the Mini 4 Pro, doing vertical, the camera actually turns vertical. But with the DJI FLIP, even though it has the same camera, it doesn't do that flip for vertical. Okay, so we just did a whole bunch of panos. Yeah, it's really interesting, you know, all the quick shots, everything in here. It's amazing, you know. Okay guys, this was fun, but it's just a little too cold without having any gloves on. This is our second flight with the DJI FLIP, and doing the master shots today was pretty amazing, you know, watching this drone, because I never would have guessed a drone with ducts on it like the DJI FLIP could do some of these you know, some of these shots, and it did quite well. What does help is not having next to nothing for wind here today. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next DJI FLIP video. See you later.